And now go to your half circles. And I'm going to only label one of them. Oh, cute kitty. I should have told you to bring your pet today. All right, Ashley, you got to introduce the kitty while you're there. Unmute. Who's that adorable cat? Can we all see him?
Um, this is Ringo.
Ringo? Look
Yeah.
at those ears. So cute.
Yeah.
Hi, Ringo. Anybody else got a pet to share? All righty, friends. So right here for your half circles, on each of the half circles, you should already have 1/2 and 1/80. Now I want you to add, like money, 50 cents and 50%. All of these are related. And you're going to go back and put that on every half fraction circle. Now we're going to do 1/3 together. Okay, this one I'm going to require everyone to chat back. So I'm going to be taking attendance through this chat. So be ready to chat back to me, okay? I have my chat box open. 1/3 fraction is right there. I want you to chat back what was the degree on your circle. You have your 360-degree circle. Quickly, chat back. What was the degrees? Out of 360 degrees, your 1/3 slices. Chat back. What is the degree of your 1/3 slices? Go. Quickly, friends.
It
You should
might
have
be.
that.
Way.
Yeah.
It's disabled.
What's disabled? The chat?
Yeah, for me.
Oh, that's odd. Okay. Everybody else, is that disabled? Why would that be disabled? Everyone. Hmm. Okay. Can you get some feedback, guys? Is it disabled for everyone?
Yeah, it's disabled.
That's odd. Okay. Figure
Yes.
out what's going on here. Hang on. Why would that be disabled? Ah. Okay. Well, all right. We'll just call on you individually. So this one's going to be 120 degrees. And then we're going to take 1 and divide by 3 to get our decimal. So we have 0, 1, and 0, 3. 3 does not go into 0, so we put a 0 there. Bring it down. Bring down your 1. 3 does not go into 1. We bring down that 1 again. Bring down another 0. Question's going to be, how many 3s go into 0? I'll give you a 5 seconds, and I'm calling on you guys since we can't chat. J-Rod, how many 3s go into 0? Excuse me, 10.
3,
3?
3, yeah.
Yeah, 3. And that's 9, which brings us 1. Question again, we have another 10, and the question is going to be, how many 3s fit into 10, Samantha?
9.
Yep. And that's going to be 9, and that's 3 times 3. And you can see that it's repeating. And so we automatically know that this is 3 again, which gets us 9. And do you see it just keeps going? So the way we represent this is 0.33 with a little, that's called a repetition sign there at the end. It just, we're repeating that number because it's just going to keep going over and over again. So it'd be 0.33 repeating. And if we're changing this to a percent, that's like 33 people out of 100 people ate eggs this morning if we did a poll. So what would this look like as a percent? It would look like this. 33% of the students ate eggs. We do 33.3 because of that repeating. You go to your fraction circle. And to each fraction circle, you're going to add the dollar sign, because that's how I want you to think of decimals, as money. And then I'd like you to add the percent sign as well. One-third of a circle is the equivalent of basically 33 cents or 33%. I'm going to add that to each. Okay, 4, 5, and 6, you're going to do on your own in a moment. You're going to backtrack and do those. And then you'll show me your answers just on the camera. I'm going to do 8, 9, and 10 with you. So jump over to 8. And you should have, if you have your fraction circle, you should be able to answer this question already. Okay, look at your fraction circle. The question is, how many degrees are in the 8 pizza slices? It's basically 360 divided by 8. You have your fraction circles. Grab those. Dennis, do you have your fraction circle, sir?
I think I might have left it in the classroom.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, Ashley, do you have your fraction circles there? No? Okay. Eli, Harrison, do you have your fraction circles, sir? Okay. Abe, do you have your fraction circles?
Yeah,
Yeah. What is the 1/8 slice?
like the degree or what? Like
Yes.
45.
45. That we do 8 goes in there 4 times, 32 and 45. Okay, so it's 45 degrees you should have down there. Now we're going to put 1 divided by 8 right here. 8, 0, 1. Do this by hand. 8 does not go into 0. So we just bring it down. We bring down the 1. 8 does not go into 1. So we put a 0 again. Okay. 8 goes into 10. Eli, how many times?
Once.
Yep. Okay, so we go 8. 10 minus 8. That's a 2. Bring down there. Got it. Dennis, 8 goes into 20. How many times? That's even.
2 times.
2 times. It's going to be 16. We're going to end up with an even number, 40. All right. Elijah T, 8 goes into 40. How many times? Can you hear me, Elijah? T? Oops, he doesn't know how to unmute. Got it. Abe, how many times? Going to be 5, guys. That's 40. So look here, our money is going to be 0.125. So percent 0.125. 0.25. All you have to do, I'll show you the shortcut. Instead of putting it over 100, you just bounce this decimal over twice. That's going to be 12.5%. 12.5%. We would expect this to be smaller because our slices are getting smaller. So on your fraction circles, each one you're going to put the decimal, which is 0.125, and then the percent, which is going to be 12.5%. That's going to go on each fraction circle. This is going to need to be done by the time you get back. This is going to be a grade for both your fraction circle and the handout. We're going to do 9 together. 10 and 12. And then you're going to backtrack and do 4, 5, and 6 on your own. Okay, so 1/9 looks like this. Those of you who don't have your fraction circle, we're just going to go 360 divided by 9 right here. 3 does not go into 3, but it does go into 6 4 times. I want to see this math. So it's 40 degrees. And we're going to do 1 divided by 9 here. So there's 1, there's 9. 9 doesn't go into 0. You just bring it down. Doesn't go into 1 either. So you bring that down. Down another 0. 9 does go into 10 one time. 10 minus 9. You're going to see this is another repeating decimal. Goes in there one time. 9. Bring down the 0. Goes in there one time. 9, etc. So you can see this is another repeating decimal. So you go 0.11 repeating. This is what's called a repeating decimal, when the same number just keeps going and going and going. Repeating, that's how you write it. Because it's repeating, I'm going to bring down another 1. What is the percent? You go like this, move it over. I want to see those bunny hops. So that right here we get 11, excuse me, let me write it like this, 11.1%. So all of these are numerically equivalent in a circle. 1/9 of a circle, 40 degrees, 0.11 decimal repeating, and 11.1%. So find your 9 fraction circle. Those of you who have them, I'm going to be checking this when you guys get back. For each one of these, you have to add the decimal version, which is this, and then the percent version, which is this, for every single fraction bar. Okay, so keep your hand out for those of you who need to do your fraction circles. Okay, now we're going to do 10 and 12, and then you're going to work on your own. And as you do, page by page, you're going to show me just on your camera the pages that you're working on. Okay, you only have 3 of them to do on your own. So we'll do 2 more together, and then you have 3 to do on your own. And so we're going to do 1/10. 10 goes into 360. Ten doesn't go into 3, but it goes into 36 3 times. I want to see this math in the corner. 10 goes into 60. Samantha, 10 goes into 60. How many times, ma'am?
30. Wait, I don't know.
No, 10 goes into 60, dear.
3.
How many 10s fit in 60? Maybe I'll rephrase it.
Wait, can you repeat that?
Yeah, okay. Think of adding. How many 10s do we need to make 60?
Oh, 6.
6. There you go. So our degree is 36 degrees for our pizza slices. Now we're in double digits, so this is why I'm doing this one with you. So that's 10 there. We still have a 1 there. 10 does not go into that first one, so that's a 0. Bring it down. You see all this math written down, friends. 10 doesn't go into 1, so that's still yet another 0. This is even. You ready? Eli, Harrison, 10 goes into 10. How many times?
Once.
Once. And once we have a remainder 0, we can stop, but I'm just going to add another 0 because remember, we're talking about money. So right here, 1/10 of a dollar is 10 cents. 1/10 of a dollar is 10 cents. So bring that 10 cents up here. Darken that decimal. Do the little bunny hop arrows. And that's going to be 10.0%. So 1/10 of a circle is 36 degrees. If you see that circle as a dollar, that's 10 cents. If you see that circle as percent, that's 10%. So right here on your fraction circle, you're going to add the decimal version, like money, 10 cents. 10% to every single one of these. All the way around. We're going to do one more together, and then you guys have 20 minutes to do 3 of them. And I'm going to put a little check mark next to your name if you finish those 3 pages and you show it on the screen. As soon as you're done with all 3, if you can leave early. If you finish before 9:30, should only take you about 5 minutes a page, 5-6 minutes a page. No calculators. Let's do this last one together. We got 1/12. If you didn't do your fraction circles, we're going to go like this. 12 goes into 360, but we're going to do 36. I want you to skip count. 12 plus another 12, 24, plus another 12. Abe, how many 12s go into 36?
3.
Yes, sir. So this is going to be 3. Bring down the 0. So 1/12 of our pi is 30 degrees. We're going to take 1 and divide by 12 here. So it's 1 divided by 12. That's how that reads. 12 doesn't go into 0. Bring it down. 12 doesn't go into 1 either. 0 there. Bring it down. Bring down another 0. Question to you, Ashley. Does 12 fit into 10?
Yeah.
If I have 10 seats in a car, 10 seat belts, Can 12 people sit in that car? No. Okay. So that's what I mean by go into. Okay. So again, Ashley, does 12 go into 10?
No.
Okay. You're correct. It's 0. So we actually need to bring down a 1. And there's a 0 here. Okay. And then we have to bring another 0. Now you're asking yourself, how many times does 12 go into 100? So this is where you need your times tables. Look at your times tables. You should have a times table handy. What's the largest number that 12 can go into 100? If you need to, you can just start adding 12s until you get as close as possible to 100. I'm going to go get a times table. You should be finding your times table and looking it up. Okay, so you go down the 12 column. Let me see if we can see this. Right there. Go down the 12 column. You want to get as close as possible to 100. Take a look right there. Okay, Elijah H., what number is that? What's the largest multiplication we can get into 12? 12 times what? Eli. 12 times what's going to get as close as possible? Can you see my screen, Eli? Dennis, can you see my screen?
Yeah, I can see it.
12 times what gets as close as possible to 100?
8.
8 is correct. That's going to be 96. So you go like this. You put an 8 there. 96. There's 4 between that. So there's a 4 left over. You bring down another 0. 12 goes into 40. You want as close as possible down. That's why you need to have your times table eventually memorized, because you have to be able to know these numbers. And that's going to be 12 times 3 gets you as close as possible to 40. So there's a 3 there. 36. And you can see this is going to be another repeating decimal. So you put a little repeating sign there. 0 point, there's a 0 there. 8, 3, repeating. That's your decimal. Come up here. Repeating. Put your pencil on that decimal point, and to turn to a percent, you're going to bunny hop, because we're dividing by 100. You bunny hop 2 to the right. And you're going to end up with 0.83%. Really small percent.
Wait, Miss Wei, I can't see your screen.
You can't see my screen anymore?
No.
Okay, hang on. Is that everyone or just Samantha? Guys,
I could see it.
you can see it? Samantha,
Yeah.
can you see it now, dear?
Yeah.
Okay. Do I need to leave this up here just for a minute for you to catch up? Samantha, let me know when I can swap this out, dear. Samantha, you good? Samantha, you good? You are? Okay. So if you have your fraction circles, you're now putting this on every single fraction circle, and the decimal is 0.83 repeating, or 8.3%. 0.83, oh, zero. There's an extra zero there. Excuse me. It's a little hard to squeeze in here. It's 0.083 repeating. 0.083 repeating, and 8.3%. Write it one more time. You want to put this on every single one of your fraction circles. 0.083 repeating. There's a decimal right there, or 8.3%. All right. What are you guys responsible for? And you're just going to take, you are responsible for 1/4, 1/5, and 1/6. Okay, and I'm going to make it 3 points a page, 3 points, and this is all extra credit. As soon as you show it, and then you want to label it on your fraction circle as well. You want to label it on your fraction circle as well. So work through these pages and then show me page by page, like, yes, Miss Ray, and I'll give you a thumbs up. If you need help computing any of these, just unmute and I'll help talk you through it. So you're doing pizza slice 4, 5, and 6 right now. 4, 5, and 6. Dennis, if you're working on Notability, sir, you can take a picture and email it to me if you'd like. Dennis, did you find the PDF, sir?
No, I'm just doing it on a piece of paper.
Okay, did you see the pattern? Do you need me to show you the pattern?
Oh yeah.
Okay, then here, let me know when. Okay, finish the page. Show me through the camera. And you might need to unmute to get my attention. Okay, Dennis, I'll leave this up here for you. Is that okay?
Oh yeah.
That helpful?
I'm already done with the or the 1/4.
1/4? Okay, show me on the screens. There. All right, got it. Did you label your fraction circle, J-Rod?
I'm going to right now.
Okay. If you get stuck with that long division, I'm happy to help. I need to figure out why my chat is blocked. Dennis, let me know when you want me to turn the page, sir. Remember, when you finish your 1/4, just show me in the camera that you finished. Samantha, you doing okay on the 1/4, or did you need any help?
No, I'm fine.
Okay. Abe, are you doing okay on the 1/4, or did you need any help?
I'm doing fine.
Okay. Ashley, do you need any help on the 1/4 division stuff?
I think I'm fine.
Okay. Eli, how you doing?
Good.
Okay. Elijah, how you doing on the 1/4? Who are we admitting? Is that Cameron in the waiting room? Cameron, good of you to join us, buddy. Cameron. Hi there. I need you to unmute. It looks like you have a Santa hat on. Cameron, do you have your the color handout that I sent back with you guys? Handy?
Okay.
Do you have it handy?
What? Oh, sorry. I wasn't there. I had to rejoin because it wasn't working.
Okay. Do you have the color circle sheet that I sent home with you?
I could. Yeah.
You want to get it?
Yeah. I'm gonna get it.
Okay.
Then with the 1/5.
Okay, show me, J-Rod. All right, I can see it. Okay, the rest of you guys, you got to catch up to J-Rod. I want you to hold up your work to the screen, please, so I can see that you finished it.
How can I see myself? How can I see myself? Okay, I do, but I can't see myself.
Oh yeah, you can't
It's kind of trippy.
Yeah.
I don't like before. I was messing with my hair. It's like opposite, and I can't. When I was going like this, it was like way up high. So.
You doing okay there, Cameron?
Oh yeah.
Okay, you
It's
got the
getting hot.
handout?
Yeah, I'm getting it. Hold up.
Okay. I'd like you to find this page. I've already gone through most of the lesson. So I'll do a couple of pages with you, and then you're welcome to join me during my office hours again at 2:30, and I'll backtrack with you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm late. I got dropped off late.
I understand. Life happens. Okay, so can you find the 1/4 page for me, Cameron?
Yeah. Hold on.
And do you happen to have your physical circle fractions with you by chance?
Yeah, I do.
Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to walk through this one page with you. And I have been recording the entire lesson, so I'll send you the link afterwards.
Okay.
Okay, you ready?
Hold on. I found the fraction circles, but I gotta get the page.
Yeah, you got to get this color page. Ashley, did you finish the 1/4 yet, dear? Okay, keep going. Elijah H., did you finish your 1/4 yet? Remember, you're supposed to show it to me in a camera. Dennis, I have been keeping this here. Did you finish the 1/4 yet?
No, I'm pretty stuck.
Okay. Well, join the party with Cameron and I. I'll
All right.
do it with you. Cameron, you there yet, buddy?
Hold on.
It's remember I gave you a plastic sleeve?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I gave you a plastic sleeve with the handout.
Oh, it's right here. Okay, I found it.
Yes.
My bad. I skipped over that.
No, I get it. I had to get special permission to make color copies for all of you, so it'd be easy to track.
Nice.
You ready to go, Cameron? Dennis, you
Yep.
following along?
Yeah.
Okay, quick recap, Cameron. What I'm showing, just draw 4 circles at the top, sir.
Okay.
There's 4 ways to view a circle. One way is to call it a one whole, just a thing, one whole thing.
Okay.
Another way was think of it as degrees. We did the degrees together, 360, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm introducing now are 2 new things. One would be decimals, which a whole circle would be, you guys think in terms of money pretty easily. So it'd be like a dollar bill.
Mm-hmm.
And then if we took a poll and all the students took a poll and they said thank you, J-Rod, their favorite thing to do was to sleep in. What percentage of the students, if I said all the students, Cameron, what percentage?
100.
Okay, 100%. So we're seeing the circle 4 different ways. 1 is a thing, 2 is 360 degrees, 3 as a dollar, and 4 as a percent. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1/4, you already have your fraction circle in front of you. 1/4 was how many degrees?
141.
1/4 of a circle is how many degrees?
90.
90. Okay, so we got the first 2. Now what we're going to do is make it a decimal. So this is basically 1 divided by 4. So it looks like this. 4 is on the outside and the 0, 1 is on the inside. Dennis, is this where you got hung up a bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Why don't you do this with me, Dennis?
Go now.
We're doing the 4, the 1/4.
Oh, am I allowed to leave? Because I'm.
Oh, did you hang on? Did I see your 1/6, J-Rod?
Yeah, I showed you too. See it
Okay, hang
again.
on. Just show it to me one more time. I probably was looking here at something else. Yes, I see it. Okay, J-Rod. Thank you, buddy.
Bye.
Okay. Dennis, does 4 go into 0?
No.
No, so we go like this, 0, 0, and technically we bring down the 1. So question again to you, Dennis, does 4 go into 1?
No.
No, you're correct. So we go like this. We put another 0 there, 0, 0. We bring down the 1 again. I'm going to add a 0 here. Hi there. And Dennis, coming your way, does 4 go into 10? And if so, how many times?
It goes in 2 times.
You are so correct. And that's going to be 8. We bring down the 2. We bring down another 0. Back to you, Dennis, one more time. Does 4 go into 20?
Yes.
How many times?
5 times.
5 times. There. Now we finished because there's a remainder 0. So 1/4 of a dollar is 0.25. In other words, it's 25 cents. Does that make sense? 1/4 of a dollar is 25 cents. And you bring it up here, that's 0.25. Okay. Cameron, I'm coming your way.
Mhm.
0.25, 25 cents would be how much percent?
1/4. Or 25%, right?
Yeah, correct. 25%. So 25.0. So all 4 of these things are equivalent. 1/4 of a thing. Okay, 90 degrees of a 360-degree circle. 25 cents of a dollar. And 25% of 100%. All of these communicates something similar. Dennis, do you want me to do 1/5 with you too?
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah.
Okay, so right here on the 1/4, you're gonna write like a dollar, 0.25 and 25% on each pizza slice. Dennis, do you have your fraction circles with you?
No, I don't.
Okay, Cameron, do you have your fraction circles with you?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want to label those as you go. You see how I'm
Okay.
labeling them, Cameron?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do 1/5 now. Samantha, are you on 1/5 or 1/6, dear?
1/5.
Okay, do you need some help? Are you doing okay?
I can get some.
Okay. Elijah and Eli, guys, how are you doing on the next one? Abe, you doing okay on the fraction circles?
Yeah, I've done the fourth and sixth. I'm just on the fifth one right now.
Oh, okay. All right. Ashley, do you want to join us for the 1/5, dear?
Yeah, I'm doing I'm doing the fifth one right now.
Okay, did you finish the 4th?
Yeah, I did.
Fabulous. Okay. And what percentage, 1/4, what percentage did you get?
Percentage
Yes, ma'am.
25.
You are correct. Okay. Looks like I'm going to have to go to my camera. Kind of failed, so I'm going to come here to open note. Okay, ready? Cameron and Dennis, start doing 360 divided by 5, please, because we're taking the fraction circle and we're dividing it by 5. So you can start doing the math there. I'll help you with it in just a moment. Let's see, I think we're here. Is that 5? That's 5. Okay, Ashley, can you see that, ma'am?
Yeah, I can.
That's 72, right?
Yes, yes. So we do 360 divided by 5. You're correct. 5 goes in there 7 times, 35, 1 0, and goes in there twice. So you are correct. 1/5 of a circle is 72 degrees. Then we do our fraction is 1/5, which is 1 divided by 5. And this is the long division here. We put 0, 1, 0, 5. Okay, Cameron, does 5 go into 0?
No.
No, you are correct. So we're going to bring it down. We're going to bring down that 1 here. And does 5 go into 1 evenly?
No.
No, you are correct. So I'm back down to doing 0, 0. So I have a 1 here. I bring down a 0. Now I'm behind the decimal point. All right. And Ashley, does 5 evenly go into 10, ma'am?
Yeah,
How many times?
5.
No, it's
Wait, what?
how many 5s fit into 10?
2?
2. Yes, ma'am. Maybe I need to phrase it. So we got a 2 here, which is 10. And you just bring down the 0 one more time, and there's 0 left over. So come down here, 1/5 of a dollar is 20 cents. Then you come up here, you're going to bring that 20 cents. To change it to a percent, you bunny hop twice over. That's 20 cents. And Dennis, 20 cents would be what percent?
20%.
20%. Yes, that's how you
This way.
represent. Yes, sir.
I'm done with all of them.
Can you Show me in your screen super quick. Just hold them up.
Yeah. Okay. This is 4.
Okay. 5, flip it over. And 6, flip it over. Looking good. All right, you got it. Great.
Thank you.
You bet. Okay. Samantha, how you doing, dear? Are you stuck on
you-
any of them?
Can you lower your screen? I didn't really
Lower
get the
my
bottom
screen?
half. Like I didn't get the bottom half of the
Okay, right there.
yeah.
All right, I will stay on, guys, to do 1-6 with you. All right, Dennis, you guys ready to move on? 1-6, this will be your last one.
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready? Okay. So our fraction's going to be 1/6. And then 6 goes into 360. 6 does not go into 3, but it does go into 36. Cameron, how many times?
6 times.
You are correct. So it's basically your fraction circle would be 60 degrees. So in 360-degree circle, a 60-degree pizza slice is 1/6. Now we're going to bring it down here. 1 divided by 6 looks like this. 0, 6, 0, 1. 6 does not go into 0, so we go like that. We bring down that 1. Okay, 6 does not go into 1, so we put another 0 there. Bring down the 1, bring down a 0. Okay, Dennis, 6 goes into 10 how many times?
1 time.
1 time. You are correct. And it's going to be 6 with 4 left over. Cameron, how close could we get to 40 without going over?
You get just a 36, right?
Yes. So that's 6, 36. And Cameron, this might be what you missed. Do you notice we're going to start repeating here? Because that's 40 again.
Yeah.
It's another 6, 36. And the way you write, when you figure out it's repeating, you write it like this. Watch. 0.16, and you put a little bar above that 6. And that means it's just going to keep going. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6.
Okay, good. Yeah, I got it.
Yeah. Dennis, Cameron, have you guys seen that before?
Yeah,
The
yeah.
The repeating bar? Okay, so we go like this, 1.16 repeating. You bounce that over. Oh, there's a 0. Is there a 0? Yeah. Twice. So it looks like this, 16.6 repeating. So it's basically 16 because there's a 6 here, it rounds up. It's going to be 16.7% because there's a repeating 6 there. Alrighty, guys. Samantha, did you finish?
Yeah.
Okay, just show me your 4, 5, and 6 really quick. Just flip through it. Okay, I can see that. You have to kind of, if you have a blur screen, you have to kind of hold it close to your face because it's going to focus on your face. Yep, okay, got it. 4, flip it over. Ashley, how you doing, dear?
I finished it.
Oh, show me, dear, so you can get out of here. Yes, good. Thank you, Ashley. Turn the page. Samantha, one more.
Miss Wei, can you send me the recording?
I'll send you the recording. Yes, ma'am. Of course. I'll send it to everybody. Thank you, Ashley. Okay. Thank you, Samantha. You bet.
And then 5, right?
Yes, ma'am. Fabulous. I don't see numbers there, Ashley.
The
you-
numbers.
Are you, my dear, you love to write in red. If you can kindly get a pencil, I can barely see it.
That was the only pen I had close by.
I understand. I
Yeah.
understand. Okay, thank you.
Oh, you can
Elijah and
go.
Eli, how you guys doing? Thanks, friends. I'll send you the recording. Elijah H. Eli,
I'm good.
you're good. Can you show me your papers, please? Our traveler, Elijah T. Can you show me your papers, please?
Sorry, Miss Wade, what'd you say?
Oh, Dennis, I wanted to see the work for the 4, 5, and 6 slices.
Okay.
Elijah T, can you turn your camera on and show me your work for 4, 5, and 6, please?
4, 5, and... Oh wait, did we do 6? I have 5. I have the 1/12 one,
Okay, show that one to me, Dennis.
and then I have the 1/8.
Okay, fabulous. Elijah, Eli, friends, I need to see your work, please, before you can go.
The one where we
I-
divided by
Yeah.
3, I have
Eli,
that.
what's up, buddy?
I did 1-4 with you when you were
Okay,
doing
do
it.
you have 1, 5, and 1, 6?
Not yet.
Okay, do you want me to do it with you?
Sure.
Okay, that's fine. Elijah T, do you need some help?
Can I show you when I get to the hotel?
That would be fine.
I'll
Thank
send
you.
you- I'll send
You
you
can
a
take
picture.
pictures and send it to me.
Okay, got it.
Yeah, sounds good. All right. How about this? Elijah H, you have another class in 5 minutes. Why don't you pop in if you'd like during the office hours at 2:30, and I'll finish that with you, okay? Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, because you got another class to get to. Take care, and you might need to go grab some water or something. All right. Bye, guys.